Hey everyone, Gil here with Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about writing utensils. All right, there's a bunch of different writing utensils that you can use. Pencil, number one, and then there is your ballpoint pen. Then, if you're really fancy, you have a the forgot the name of it. The fancy one you got to dip into the ink well to do the writing with free ink and stuff. So there's and then even though amongst all of these there are different qualities and different lead weights and stuff, or colors and stuff like that. I got a little red pencil here. And so I got my list of the Your Prep for today. And as I do one, I reach down here and I check it off. My grandsons have massive collections of pencils in every color imaginable, and they use them often to draw stuff. And let's see if I can do this here. Not sure if it's how it's going to show up. Well, I'll be on the other side there. See the refrigerator, the drawings. Yeah, they like to draw, and they do freehand stuff, and it's really interesting and exciting to watch them color and draw, and from one week to the next their skills change and increase and their drawings get better. But for us adults, you need to have writing utensils so you can write stuff down. Along with the writing utensils, go with notepads. Whether it's a little pocket notepad you can fit in your pocket, whether it's a 8.5 by 11 book, whether it's a half sheet book, whether it's file cards, whatever it is you're writing on, you have something to write on with your writing utensils. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and grow more food this year.